does this. Being live on two things. Okay, I'm live on YouTube. Hey, everybody on Facebook, check out. I'm live on on YouTube. So hopefully this is going to record in a way that I can then upload this up into Patreon, and then in Patreon, somebody could say, okay, I'm going to check out what you got to say for like a month, and that's worth $1. I'd be kind of surprised. I'm not sure that all these blah blahs are actually, but anyway, the whole thing is kind of sitting here in stall mode as I try and figure out a way to be entertaining enough and to also really create this dream, because I do believe in this dream. I do believe that the physicality of creating wooden ships that have traditions, that have a connectivity to everybody, there's that's the other thing. All over the world, if a gaff-rigged wooden schooner sails into a port, everyone on the seawall notices, goes, wow, that's just beautiful. It is. It touches you somewhere. And I have been so lucky for so long to have lived aboard a vessel that invokes that response. And not only that, the one that I have had has like outsailed all of her kindred spirits, all the other boats that are like her. When I went to the Antigua Classic Yacht Regatta, we won in our class the very first year, and then we won in our class a couple of more times until they threw Alexis's boat and all the Carriacou sloops, which is where we want to go build our boats. They threw their boats into my class, and they started winning. Well, they do build fast boats in Carriacou. That's one of the reasons we want to go there, because we want to build a really fast boat too. And then I take Cassiopeia to the Foxy's Wooden Boat Regatta, and she wins the Foxy's Wooden Boat Regatta. Not to mention that as we sailed up into the harbor for that regatta, everyone who was watching was looking at that vessel and thinking, wow, that's a beautiful thing. It's like looking at a sunset. All of us can agree that looking at a sunset is beautiful. And so I believe that a big part of what we're up to with these boats has to do with the romantic and literally the visual beauty of what we are creating. It seems so natural, this wooden boat using the wind to just move itself through. It touches you somewhere. And so I do believe that our connectivity that we're all striving for right now could be, easily promoted with a bunch of wooden vessels. And so this is why I'm doing everything I can to create all of the technological possibilities for spreading this concept of bringing us together, bringing our connection to each other and to the ocean all together with the Cassiopeia Schooner project. Okay, it's on YouTube, except nobody's watching probably because nobody even knows. Yeah. And but I got all of you guys, so I'm trying to figure out how to shift or do. So remember, look me up on Patreon. I tried to post a video straight from live on Facebook. It didn't work. Anybody knows how to do that? Please PM me. Please tell me, can I upload a video from live Facebook to Patreon? And then this whole section can just be boom right to there. But otherwise, I've got to download it off Facebook, crunch it with my my compressor thing so that I can upload it because I don't have enough bandwidth, and blah 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 blah. So now I'm I'm trying to go about it a whole different way with live YouTube, live Facebook, and so enough with the technology stuff, because see, that's the other thing. I don't have enough subscribers on YouTube to use a phone to do YouTube. So I have to do the YouTube on my computer. Now, my computer has a battery that doesn't work. So that means if I unplug my computer, it goes off. And so if I point my computer out there, because we have something to do, I got to go back outside to do what we have to do to kind of close this show off about tradition and about sailing, bringing us all together, and dancing and music and the stuff that Jessica mentioned. um, well, I don't think there's any way. Sorry, guys, you're just gonna have to. You're gonna see. Look, I'm trying to take my whole setup, and if I put it there, then it's gonna fall off the table and break the computer. Maybe I can set it up so that they can see me from outside. We'll see. But again, nobody's watching, so this is just an experiment. All right, here we go, guys. I love you. Thanks for sticking with me on this stuff. And okay. All right. He did such a good job. He really did. I don't think I can do it. That's so not fair.
Jonathan,
I'm the captain.
might want to start.
And now I'm busy. He's a miracle. It's amazing. All right, guys. What we're doing. It's really what we all want. Why all you guys are hanging out with me. Just ordinary people. Oh, wait. I gotta be standing over here. Okay, if I stand over here, maybe they can see me from YouTube in the pilot house. Hello, YouTube. It's really challenging. My dream of bringing the plant together. But it's all of our dreams. It's all of us. Every single one of us. Every single ordinary one of us. That's what we want. We want that. We want peace on our planet. We want everybody to have enough food. We want everybody to have enough water. We want things to seem fair. Like it just should be fair. And I could give up a lot of stuff for things to be a lot more fair for other people. And so that's what we're about. Thank you for the Cassiopeia Schooner Project. All of you guys who are paying attention, who are believing in what we're talking about here. And I do believe that we have a physical action, a physical thing, something to really manifest this. This isn't just talk. It isn't just bull. It isn't just things I can't say. It is real. We have a real thing that can do real things, and James is ready for us. The minute I say go, he's going to ship stuff for this vessel to take to the Abacos to help people. I just got to get down to Fort Pierce, and I got to get an engineer, and we got to all pitch together to make this happen, because even if that one thing happened, it would be worth what it would take to make that one thing happen with this vessel. It just would. And then this concept of building a fleet here and a fleet there and a fleet there, and all of those vessels going and doing those things for so cheap. It's like, we're going to pull this off, guys. So here's to the first boat that can do that stuff. The good ship Cassiopeia. Every single vessel in the world has traditions, like I was talking about, including dancing on the pilot roof. And every skipper worth his salt is superstitious about performing said tradition, including dancing on the pilot house. And aboard the good ship Cassiopeia, we have a tradition that we do every single time we get underway, and it goes like this. Here's to the good ship Cassiopeia. Hip hip hooray! And to her stalwart crew, hip hip hooray! Even though he can outblow me on the horn. He's going to keep us safe. Love you. He gets it. So when, in case it was terrible, eventually I'll get a microphone where it doesn't matter. All that sort of stuff. Oh, I forgot. Hi, YouTubers. Now I'm in front of both of you. Okay, I'll let you guys meet each other. YouTubers, these are Facebookers. Now I know that Facebook is for old people, apparently. and YouTube is like, you know, kind of across the board thing, and then people will actually, like, you know, you can subscribe and help people out by sending them money on YouTube, and well, you can kind of do that on Facebook now too, you Facebook guys. I did do a thing on Facebook for you to do that, but you guys, what are you gonna do with me? I love you guys. I'm trying so hard. Or one of the other boats of the fleet. Okay. I love you guys. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. And maybe he works on Saturday.